Welcome back. Today I'm going to make a tasty onion pakoda. Let's get started. Pakoda is one of the most popular and much loved snacks, especially during monsoon and cold winters in India. These are very commonly prepared in Indian homes for an evening snack and are served with hot masala tea. To make this recipe, you need the premix, so please check my previous video. The link is above and also in the description. Slice onion and separate them. Add oil in a wok on medium heat. Take 1 cup of premix. Into that add 2 teaspoons of hot oil and water and make a thick batter. The consistency should be like this, not too thick or too thin. Add the sliced onions and mix it well. Let the batter nicely coat the onions. Once the oil is hot, take small portions and gently drop them in the oil. Fry on medium heat, stirring occasionally for even frying. Flip them once. Fry till golden brown and crispy. To fry the next batch, ensure the oil is not very hot. Reduce the heat slightly if needed and fry. Look at this, how crispy it is. So tasty. If you want, you may add fresh chilies. Serve it with a hot cup of tea. Perfect for this cold winter season.
See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Till then, goodbye.